Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are looking at awesome cars. As you can see behind me, they look so amazing. Look at this really old car.
Go show them the one with the face engine.
I'm going to go show you guys a really cool car soon.
Can you pick me up?
No.
I can't look them.
There's Dylan,
Stop.
there's Nathan.
Whoa, this car's good.
Don't move. God bless you.
Is this the back or the front?
It's the back.
These are so old. This?
So guys, look at these. Look at that. Look at these cars.
Pretty cool car.
Making me hungry.
How about you look at the car, not the food?
Food first, then come.
Right? Priority.
Well,
Come here, boy.
I want you to go look at this. There's these cars. Those. But that one. Look how cool this is. I just love that they have the eyes up there. So they're over there.
Remember back in the day, hot rodding with those drum brakes when I had my
All right, everybody, be on the lookout. Buzz is heading around with tickets. Last call tickets for the TV. We're going to be drawing that right around 4 o'clock. Pretty close to 4. So he's going around doing a last call chances to win the TV. So if you see him coming, run the other way.
This is the Queen's car.
If he catches you, it's too late.
It's all red.
Back up.
Look how nice this car is.
I love this.
It's so nice on the inside.
Juliet, she fell
Look at these.
when he put his arms around her. He said, Julie, baby, you're my flame, don't give us fever.
Eat.
No, we're not going to eat.
What?
When the kisses
We just came to look at the cars.
with that
Anyways, guys, that's going to be the end of the video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.